Facing issue with your account? Don't worry. Instagram support is just a few taps away. Let's get your problem solved quickly and easily. But first, don't forget to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to contact Instagram support. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Instagram app to open it. Ensure you are logged in. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right to access your profile page. Then tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen. In the menu, scroll and tap on Help. Here's where the Instagram direct all the support option for your issue. You can browse Instagram Help Center and tap Report a problem to submit your issue. Instagram inquires you to describe the issue. The more details you provide, the better. So make sure to include error messages, screenshot, or a step-by-step explanation of the problem. Once everything is filled out, hit the Send button to submit your issue to the Instagram Support Center. Instagram will review your report and get back to you. Check your email or Instagram notification for their response. So this is how to contact Instagram support. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.